The best hiking shoe for women actually isn't a hiking shoe at all. Let me explain. This is the Hoka Stinson 7 and is by far the most comfortable shoe I've ever tried hiking, and trust me, I have tried a lot. As someone with flat feet, I naturally overpronate when I step, so finding a shoe that focuses on maintaining stability was key. The wider bottom of the shoe combined with the internal H-shaped frame helps to stabilize the foot in the best way and majorly reduces the soreness of my ankles, knees, and hips after a long hike. They are extremely comfortable right out the box with no breaking in period necessary. The materials used are very soft and breathable and have a large toe box, which all contribute to a feeling of comfort that can be really hard to find. Thick foam bottom paired with the grip of the outsole provide all the traction needed for any terrain. Now they are a little on the expensive side at $175, but are well worth the investment because of how well they work and how long they last. Lightweight, durable, cute, comfy, what more could you ask for?